It's a puzzle?
Alright guys, so today we're going to be opening a puzzle. It's a learning puzzle.
And it looks like it's from rolimate.
Rolimate and 24 months plus. Yeah, okay.
It's a geometric sorter.
Love, play, happy.
So the kids are going to learn not only colors, but they're going to learn shapes too. And they're going to learn hand-eye coordination with this puzzle.
Here we go, guys. Whoa!
Wow.
This is awesome.
Grace, did you see that? Looks like
I lost it. All right.
kids are attacking it. And
all right, so guys, can we learn shapes and colors? Yes, no, maybe so.
all right, who's going to tell me what color they have? Grace, what color do you have, Grace?
Kids are ready to go. All right, so guys, which color is this? It's
What color?
what color is this?
A what?
Tinkle. All right,
It's
so guys,
yellow.
this is yellow.
And it's not just yellow, it's a yellow square.
This is definitely a great learning toys for the colors and obviously the colors and shapes. And it's a hands-on toy, so it's really good for a lot of kids who like to get their hands on stuff.
If your child is tactile, this is something
So
that's
guys,
perfect for them. It looks like this is wood and then it's got pegs on it. And let me see.
What color is that?
Jax, what color is it?
So this is blue.
And do you know what shape it is, Jax?
Jax is really good in the
It's a
circle.
circle.
Oh, look at Grace. She's doing the triangle. Green triangle.
Let me see,
So now we
Grace.
put the rectangle over here, bud. Yay!
Wow.
And Jax, the blue square goes right here, right? Grace, can you do the blue
How
square?
many do you have? Blue. Blue what? Circle? And green circle?
So Grace put in the red.
Wow.
Yellow square, yay!
Yay! What a fantastic
Good
job.
High five, guys. Good job, guys.
High fives,
Good
everyone.
Job.
And look at
Yay! Everybody fist bump, fist bump.
fist bump.
Bleh.
It looks like the kids are very attentive with this. They are focused, engaged. They are having so much fun. I mean, we're not even able to phase them right now.
Here we have his green square. Whoa! And then we have here is red square. Here you go. And then we have yellow square. Here you go. And then we have blue square. Blue. Now we're gonna do all the circles. Here we have red circle. Here we go. Then we have blue circle. Here we go. We have yellow circle. Here we go. Green circle. Here we go. Now we're going to do the rectangle. Yellow rectangle. Here we go. And we have red rectangle. Here we go. We have green rectangle. Here we go. We have blue rectangle. Here we go. Now we're going to do the triangles. Can Daddy do the triangles? We're going to give you right back, right, baby?
It looks like Katanya Grace is very, very
All right,
focused.
Daddy's going to give you red triangle. Here we go.
And Jax is very
Okay, Daddy's going to give you
charismatic.
yellow triangle. Here we go. Green triangle. Here we go. And blue triangle. Wow, great job, guys. So we have circle, rectangle, triangle, and square. Yay! And guys, if you like more educational video, please click in the description box below. We're gonna put some more wonderful, beautiful learning. All learning videos for kids to learn from colors to counting to everything. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Everybody say bye-bye. See you next time at GraceTimeLI.
Look at mommy and say goodbye.
Right, everybody look at mommy. Say bye. And that's when you know it's a great toy. Thank you guys. We're out. Boom.